How to check post insight on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'm simply going to be showing you how you can check the insight of a certain post on Instagram. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, you have a business or creator or an overall or professional account, right? And if you wanted to view the insights of your professional account, you'd basically need to go to your profile page, tap on the professional dashboard option, and you'll be able to see all of your account insights. But that is account insights, and that is problematic because we want to view the insight of our specific post on Instagram. Now keep in mind that you cannot view the insights of all of the posts on Instagram. There are only a few specific criteria. For example, you cannot do it for the picture or carousel post that you have on Instagram. So instead, what you have to do is you can view the insight of a reel or a video. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Instagram app, as I said earlier. Then you will simply tap on the profile icon and then come to your profile page. Now if you wanted to view the insight of your account, you'd basically need to tap on the professional dashboard option. But since in this video we are going to be learning how we can view our post insight, we're simply going to be navigating to the reels section, because as I said, you cannot view the insight of all posts but only reels and videos and other IGTV stuff. So let's say this video right over here, I'll just tap on the three dots right next to it, and once I tap on the three dots right next to it, I'll just need to tap on the option called view insights over here. Once I tap on view insights, I'll be able to see all of my video insights, such as my views, my comments, my likes, my shares, and the number of saved accounts, as well as the accounts reached, the content interactions, the profile activity, and so on. But as I said earlier, if I just go to the post section, which is a random post over here, I tap on it, I tap on the three dots, I will not be able to find the option of view insights. So that's the one thing that you have to understand. Hope this video cleared the confusion and answered the question as to how you can view the post insight on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.